how to make compasses out of a drinking straw, how to make a shield from a plastic bottle for protecting your fingers. No, it's no new Harry Potter saga. It's our new compilation of life hacks. My friend adores birds. Each time we go for a walk in the park, she takes something to feed them. This time she surprised me by taking a whole bird feeder out of her handbag. Take an empty toilet paper roll. Cover it with a coat of peanut butter. Press well with your fingers. Dip the tube in a bowl filled with food for birds. Little seeds easily stick to the peanut butter. Cover the whole tube with the food. Pass through a piece of thread. Tie a knot. My friend hangs the feeder on a twig. The bird banquet hall is ready. She'll be awarded by a bird society for taking care of wild birds. Okay, I love birds too. I'm going to make the prettiest feeder ever. I take my favorite candle holder and place it on a branch. It shouldn't fall, otherwise sparrows feel a quake. Stop! I've forgotten about something. There's an important thing missing. I should put some food inside. I've got a cookie. It'll do. I put it in. The birds will break it with their beaks. It's so good to do something useful. I hope this cute red house with heart-shaped windows will turn into a bird's favorite feeder. It's time to have tea, but I can't enjoy it as I've burnt my tongue. Though my friend's got no problem when drinking her tea. What's her secret? She's put in ice. Take a plastic carton of eggs. Clean it thoroughly in advance. Cut off the lid. Pour in some water. Put it in a freezer. Remove the ice easily. Cool down your hot drinks. Use this DIY ice mold to make ice quickly and easily. Meanwhile, cool down your hot tea in a usual old way by blowing on it. Why did you wrap a rubber band around an apple? No, it isn't going to escape. It's our apple hack. Cut an apple in a square shape. Make 2 parallel cuts, then 2 cuts crosswise holding the apple with your hand. Remove the middle part easily. If you want to take the apple for a snack, put on a rubber band and keep all the pieces in place. Put the snack into your lunchbox. You can easily remove the core. There's a hole left. My friend liked the idea so much, she leaves me nothing but the core. It's not fair. I'm going to make a tasty sandwich. I need some butter. Oh God, I should have thought about softening this frozen butter long before. Now I can't do anything with it. However, my friend's got a plan B. If you fail to cut frozen butter, use a vegetable peeler. Take the peeler and peel the butter like you do with vegetables. Spread the butter onto a slice of bread. My friend manages to make a perfect sandwich using a vegetable peeler. She's a true cooking crisis manager. Ugh! My friend uses too much of her air freshener. I suggest using my natural one. Cut orange slices into segments. Put them into a jar. Add spices. Cinnamon sticks, star anise, and dried cloves. Pour in hot water. Make another air freshener. Put lemon into a jar. Add mint, dried ginger, and berries for decoration. Pour in hot water. These air fresheners look more like preserved cocktails, but as soon as you open the top, a delicate fragrance starts filling the room. My friend changes out her manufactured air fresheners for my natural DIY ones. My friend's still mixing her paints on a piece of paper. It's because she's unaware of my new invention, a carton palette. Take a clear empty carton for eggs. Cut off the lid. Put in your paint tubes. Squeeze your paints into the carton sections. Mix the colors in the empty sections. Such a carton can be a good alternative for an artist's palette. Okay, I'll share with my friend. I've got a lot of empty egg cartons to be used in painting. Oh, this crafty knife, trying to cut my precious fingers all the time. But this time my friend's got a super shield to protect my